support my answer. First, he is good at sports, and I admire my taekwondo coach because my taekwondo coach does taekwondo very well. He practiced very hard, and he did taekwondo very long time. And I want to have this character because I want to do taekwondo very well. Second, he is smart. He went to a good university. He'll help my study when I need some homework or test. And I want to have that characteristic because I want to go to good university. Then I need to be smart. Third, he's responsible. He'll help me when I go competition, and he keeps his promise. For example, we can do school physical education every week. Then I want to have this characteristic because responsible is very important. When I have promise, I can keep it. In conclusion, there are my reasons why I want to have good at sport, smart, and responsible. Thank you for listening to my presentation.